Hey guys, Arnold Broad here for Healthy at 60 Plus. In today's news update, I want to talk about heart healthy living and how it can help reverse erectile dysfunction. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. A heart healthy eating plan limits sodium, saturated and trans fats, added sugars, and alcohol. Understanding nutrition labels can help you choose healthier foods. And starting with limiting sodium. Adults should eat less than 2,300 milligrams of sodium a day. This actually equals about 1 teaspoon of salt. Try these shopping and cooking tips to help you choose and prepare foods that are lower in sodium. Read food labels and choose products that are less sodium for the same serving size. Choose low sodium, reduced sodium, or no salt added products. Choose fresh, frozen, or no salt added foods. Flavor foods with herbs and spices instead of salt. When cooking, limit your use of pre-made sauces, mixes, and instant products such as rice, noodles, and ready-made pasta. Next, limit saturated fats. Saturated or bad fats come from animal sources such as butter, cheese, and fatty meats and should make up less than 10% of your daily calories. Limit saturated fats by eating leaner, lower fat, and skinless meats instead of fatty cuts of meat and chicken with skin. Consuming lower fat dairy products instead of whole milk. Using certain vegetable oils such as olive and canola oil instead of butter, lard, and coconut and palm oils. Next is to limit trans fats. Limit trans fats as much as possible. This includes foods made with partially hydrogenated oils such as some desserts, microwave popcorn, frozen pizza, stick margarine, and coffee creamers. Reading the nutrition labels and choosing foods that do not contain trans fats. And lastly, limit added sugars. You should limit the amount of calories you get each day from added sugars. This will help you choose nutrient-rich foods and stay within your daily calorie limit. Added sugars do not occur naturally in foods. In the United States, sweetened drinks, snacks, and sweets are the major source of added sugars. Lower how much sugar you eat or drink by choosing drinks without added sugar such as water, low-fat or fat-free milk, or 100% vegetable juice. Choosing unsweetened foods for snacks or dessert. Eating sweetened drinks, snacks, and desserts less often and in smaller amounts. For those of you that follow my newsletter and YouTube channel, know that I promote repairing the underlying causes of ED and not just treating the symptoms. A plant-based diet, weight management, and the tips above are certainly major steps in the right direction. And if, like me, you use pro-arginine, you have added another path to renewed health and improved erectile function. For more information, click the link below this video to see my ED repair page. If you have any questions about that video or this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. To be informed of new videos, just subscribe to my channel and click like for this video. To view other videos about related health topics, just click on either of the above two video links.